Hi, my name is John. I live in Austin, and I've done 5 sessions with Kristen. And the reason I was inspired to have her or work with Kristen was that before I was experiencing some really a lot of pain, not only in my hip but in my knees, and I was getting this numbness and tingling in my wrists and in my fingers, just waking up in the morning. And after just the first couple of sessions, the tingling and the numbness in my fingers went away completely, which was like totally awesome. And then after we worked a few more sessions, I was just amazed at the difference before and after, not only in the range of motion that was happening in the hip where I was experiencing all this pain, but just in my day to day activities. Before I was working with Kristen, I could not even put on my pants without being in pain. And I was doing all this compensating stuff, and I felt like an old man. I had to sit down to get dressed in the morning, and I was like, oh, gee, this is just not cool. Now, this past week, I've experienced being able to get dressed without being in pain, and then just the range of motion also on top of that has been dramatic. As a matter of fact, the side that was in pain now has a larger range of motion than the side that wasn't in pain to begin with. So um, I am just so grateful and so excited that Kristen is capable of really tuning in to these super fine details. And I was a little skeptical at first about Skype because I didn't really think that it would be as effective as an in-person session, which is the first session that we had. And Kristen is just capable of seeing even those little tiny things that you think that you may not even be aware of. She can still catch all of that and help you make those adjustments. So whether you're working with Kristen live or in person, my experience has been that both have been highly effective. And I would suggest for anyone who wants to have an improvement with their ability to really fully use their body, whether you're in pain or if you just want to increase your ability to perform athletically or just in life, work with Kristen. It's totally worth it. And she's just a joy to work with. She's a lot of fun, and really enjoyed the sessions. Was really looking forward to them as well. Very patient, um, highly professional, highly tuned in. You couldn't ask for anything more with someone who's doing transformational type work. So 2 thumbs up.